The country will float shares in state-owned enterprises as of the 1st of June in an effort to boost public assets and attract more investors to stimulate the Egyptian stock market. Now, the first round of the IPO to run through early next year will include shares in 4 to 6 state-owned firms in the petroleum, manufacturing and petrochemical sectors. The shares have an estimated value of between $852 million to a little over $1 billion. Well, let's get you some more information on this story from Yasser Hakim. He joins us in Cairo now. Yasser, as always, welcome to the show. Now, the company Eastern Tobacco, it generates about $2 billion. It's listing, of course, on the exchange. How do you expect that sale of a 4% stake to fare on the Cairo exchange? Are investors suddenly keen on this company?
I think it will be attracting a lot of interest. It's first of all, it's been increasing its profits in the last few years. Even within the economic recession, Eastern Company was growing and was selling more simply because smoking in Egypt has been growing, not just as cigarettes, but you're talking about hookahs and all kinds of tobacco. Also because Eastern is a monopoly, is the only company in the country allowed to produce or assemble plants, to have an assembled plant for cigarettes. So all the other competitors are importers. And obviously with the increasing tariffs, obviously importers will not be able to compete in pricing. Also, taxes have increased. So yes, the cigarettes are more expensive, but the locally produced cigarettes is cheaper than the imported ones. That makes Eastern Company having a leverage and secure, if you can say, revenue and income every year, making profits as it grows. So it will be an interesting and attractive proposition for investors.
Now, of course, Yasser, this move is part of the government's promise to sell a stake in about 23 state-owned companies. It's planning to raise about $4 billion from that. Now, the government says it will float more shares as of June 1st. Is there any update on that plan? Which companies are we going to see listed?
Well, we understand, obviously, that it's not going to be all these companies at once. It will be taken into stages. I believe, still to be confirmed, that around